Hello guys. In this video, I will show you how to set up a microphone in Windows 10. We will cover how to connect the microphone, any additional things you might need to set it up properly. And we'll also look at some of these settings we can change within Windows. Your microphone will likely be either connected via a USB cable or a 3.5mm cable. The only thing to mention at this stage is if your mic uses USB, then ensure it is being connected to the correct USB port. Newer USB mics should work on all ports, but older ones may only work on USB 2. So try a few ports on the front and back of your PC until it works properly. If you're using a 3.5mm cable to connect it, then ensure you are connecting it to the microphone slot and not the headphone slot. Some microphones may also need an external power supply, so research your specific mic to see if this is the case. Now that we have connected the microphone, we will now check that Windows is detecting it. You can also set it as your default mic if you wish. To check that Windows is detecting it, first right-click on the sound icon in the taskbar, and then select Open Sound Settings. This will open the sound control panel in a new window. Click on the Recording tab, which should be the second option, to view all the microphones on your PC. If you don't see your microphone on this list, right-click and select Show Disconnected, and Show Disabled Devices. If you now see it, you may need to right-click on it and select Enable. You can select your microphone, and choose Set Default at the bottom to make your microphone the default mic on your PC. The next part of the setup we'll cover is to check that we have the latest device drivers. Depending on your microphone, there might be drivers to install from the manufacturer's website. In this case, we can also get Windows to automatically search and install the latest drivers. And to do this, we first need to go to the Device Manager. Right-click on Start button, and select Device Manager. Find the section that's called Audio Inputs and Outputs, it should be at the top. Click on the arrow to expand it. And look for your microphone. Then double-click on your mic. And then go to the Driver tab. Now click Update Driver. And then choose the automatic option. Allow Windows to search and install any driver updates if there are any. Also, depending on your microphone, there may be some software that you can download from the manufacturer's website that will allow you to change some of the settings. There are some settings that we can change in Windows to customize the microphone. Now we need to go back to the sound control panel first. To do that, you need to right-click on the sound icon in the taskbar. Then go to Open Sound Settings. Go to the Recording tab, but this time double-click on your microphone. In the Listen tab, you can choose to listen to the sound picked up by a microphone. But most of you will probably want to leave this off. There are also some settings relating to battery power in here. In the Levels tab, you can change the sensitivity of the microphone. On the top slider, you might want to play around with this to find the correct level. Also, depending on your microphone and its connection type, there may be a boost option too in here. You can also set up speech recognition by searching microphone setup in the search bar. And that's how to set up a new microphone in Windows 10. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and I will try and reply as soon as